Shubor Nakashlem Jong Nong San Hima.
Menteri Katanat kam jungok kai ke jela uba polling do ula pendram ke jingle riu klau ki le no ban thombor bat siat na phangi ki nong jungok kai ki belet kai ha we ke jaka jungok kai ke badan ha pahal gam jong ke Jammu and Kashmir ke balwan ra ke jingklat kumba 8 ringgit ki mensim brio hanin kesngi uba pol ula ong ba sarkar kan ya trilang ba sarkar pedeng ban krishan halor ke jing persang ban penduk jat ki le no ki bale ikin ki kampen triam ha ke jaka ula ong ba sarkar kan ya trilang bat katanat sipai BSF bat kanang kampen klan shu hakaliang katanat pulit bat kidan lai hajar tali ki kampulit ki balaj ha ke chela ulong kumjuru ulong ba ki du ki jaka badan ke jingbom shong shangan ki nong shong shnong ke sarkar ke le kren bat ki sipai ke sarkar pedeng bat ki sipai BSF
dastardly act, inhuman and unexpected, and to target visitors who actually were contributing to the revenue of that particular scheme is beyond my ability to comprehend. We stand together as a nation and as a state government. We extend our full support to the union government in its attempt to thwart the upsurge of insurgency and terrorism in that particular area. I think we have already upped the ante on the part of the government. We are now very vigilant. We are in constant touch with the BSF. The Chief Minister had met the DG. I had met him separately. And we are also going for more recruitment in the state police. As you are aware, about 3,000 vacancies will be filled up, and also wherever there are areas where there is a gap in ensuring the safety of citizens, we are coordinating with central forces and especially the BSF, which has vast presence in Meghalaya. Yeah.